Hey guys, it's me Dana and I'm going to show you a blank tour. I'm showing my brother's dorm, as you know, I'm going to go in the province and now we're in the province. And let's get started. I hope there's no noise. Oops. Look at the block. Here's it. Okay, so she's in the down, and this is her. She's bad, I mean, and this is her first electric pen, which is pink, and this is her second electric pen, which is dirty, so we buy second. And her girly blanket, her pillow, which you cannot see, her. Let's see, there it is. Work team. Time. Work time. Yeah, work time. I don't know if you can turn the camera and stuff rumbling. And there's a lot of lockers, it's not locked. And there's her lock. All of her stuff are black instead of herself. And I don't know why their curtain are like girlies. I don't know if they're a gay or something. And you can just see them. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Anyways, the mirror reflection. Can you see my? What's that? The American shirt. Not the American salon, that shirt. I don't know if it's on there or anything. Anyway, so I'm I recommend a shadow winter. This shadow is so hard for you. Super hard. And then she do this. Clean up or work. Work. There's my chair. She's Hawaiian. This mom's chair. Okay, so shout out question. Why you're not here? I beg you, please comment. So you have a shout out. A shout out so pretty beautiful. You can book us challenge, challenge, and smoothie challenge. You can rest hamburger challenge, marshmallow challenge, water challenge, Coke challenge, but not a pizza and smoothie. And yeah. I call it Brother Stone Tour. And as you can see, there's the latest room. Oh, there's Daddy. I know if you can see, but there's already. The zoom is that blue one. Oops, there's that blue one. Oops, and so the car. That is that's my brother. Oh, look at that. Anyway, so 1 for 2. Bye-bye.